Worried about scratches diminishing your car's beauty? Discover simple and effective DIY repair techniques today. One of the easiest methods involves using a polishing compound, readily available at auto parts stores. Carefully follow the instructions to avoid damaging your car's paint while bringing those scratches back to life. For minor scratches, petroleum jelly can work wonders. Just clean the area and rub the jelly into the scratch. Toothpaste might sound odd, but it effectively minimizes scratches. Gently apply non-gel toothpaste to the affected area. Buff with a soft cloth, and watch as the scratch's visibility fades away before your eyes. If your scratch reveals exposed metal, a quick fix is to use clear nail polish to prevent rust damage. Ensure the surface is clean before application to maximize protection from the elements and maintain your car's look. For deeper scratches and rust chips, seeking professional assistance is the safest avenue for lasting results. Remember, with the right tools and approach, fixing car scratches can be quick, easy, and rewarding.